Hello students, good morning everyone. So today in this general knowledge we are going to learn something about sports and games. Okay, that is about Olympics. Okay, do you know what is Olympics? What are Olympics? It is a very big international event which is related to sports, children. It is a very big international event which is celebrated or which is held once in 4 years. This is held once in 4 years, children. So this started in Greece. Okay, what is the name of the country? First time it was started in Greece. Okay, the people they started doing this, conducting the sports or games and this type of events to honor their god, that is Zeus, to honor in the honor of their god Zeus. They started this Olympics. Okay, what do they do here? Okay, they conduct sports here. Okay, sports are held here. Okay, so when the first time it was started in Greece, 14 countries participated in this, children. But today across the globe 200 countries take part in this Olympics today. Okay, Olympics is a international event where sports are held. It is a competition, children. Okay, it is not state level or national level. Okay, it is not it is not related within the country or within the state. It is all across the globe. That is 200 countries participate in this today. So this person who was the first this person, Baron P.D. Coubertin, this person, he was the one who made a committee. Okay, whose theme, it was his plan or his idea, and he made a committee of this Olympics. Then firstly these were held once in 4 years, and gradually as the time passed they have categorized these sports depending on the seasons. That is, they are summer games and winter games. Okay, depending on the season they have categorized this as summer games and winter games. Then people from the athletes, okay, the participants, that is the athletes, come across different countries. They come from different countries and they participate there, and the country which has bagged number of medals in summer games is USA. America is the country who has secured a number of medals in summer games, and Norway is the country which has won number of medals in the winter games. This is the USA is meant for the highest record. It is known to have the highest record in winning medals of this summer season, children, in summer games, and Norway is the country who has secured a number of medals, the highest score of medals which are held, that is in winter games. Here in your textbook you can see this is the logo of Olympics, children. This is the logo of Olympics, and many countries are interlinked in these games, children. And not only this, they don't represent a state, they don't represent a nation, children. So they participate from different countries in these sports or games. And not only this, separate games are conducted to the people who are physically challenged, that is, who are handicapped. Those are physically challenged. They are called as differently abled people. Okay, they don't address them as handicapped, they are called differently abled. So separate games are conducted for them. They are called as Paralympics. Okay, they are called as Paralympics. Okay, number of so the people who have participated, who took part in these Olympics from India and who won the medals are here. A list of names is given, children. Many Indian athletes and sports stars have won various accolades for the country at the Olympics. Some of them are Abhinav Bindra, shooting, Then Karnam Maleshwari for weightlifting. She won the medal in the Olympics for weightlifting. Then Sania Nehwal for badminton, Sakshi Malik for wrestling, PV Sindhu for badminton, and Leander Pace for tennis, and so on. So here is a list of people who participate in the Olympics in the international event and secured or bagged the medals. So here is a list of games, children. A few Olympic games are. So what type of games do they conduct here? Here is a list given, children. What is that? Archery, badminton, basketball, beach volleyball, boxing, canoeing, cycling, equestrian, fencing, gymnastics, handball, rowing, sailing, saucer, swimming, table tennis, weightlifting, wrestling, mountain biking. So here is the list of sports and events which are held in the Olympics. So this was a brief introduction about the Olympics, children. Thank you.